Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the trend is definitely up on basically every single time frame. Like I was saying this morning, I personally am only looking for longs in an uptrend. We do have what looks like a possible five-wave structure here, so possibly we could be making a bigger move down for a pullback. And like I was saying this morning, there is a chance that this could be a wave five. So if tomorrow it does go down and break this low rate here, that would be a trend reversal all the way up to the daily time frame if it really is a wave five. The thing is that it doesn't have to be a wave five. And with tomorrow's CPI inflation data coming out, it could possibly, make a little bit of a push down throughout the Asian session, London session, and then tomorrow just continue the higher time frame uptrend. I definitely am going to continue to look for longs at least until like the daily time frame, a 4 hour time frame give me a significant reason otherwise, like a breaker structure to the downside at a significant Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.